Struggling to manage your Android devices? Stop paying for basic remote tools. Meet Xim Remote, the ultimate privacy-first management app. Mirror your screen in high definition. Access your camera remotely. Take full control of your device from any web browser. We prioritize your security. All data stays private. And the best part? It's 100% free. Watch a quick ad for credits and unlock unlimited service. No hidden paywalls. Look at this dashboard. It's clean, fast, and simple. Setup takes seconds. Manage your device like a pro, anywhere, anytime. You can cast your screen and camera in real time here, along with the great opportunity to capture photos or videos. You can also show a pop-up window or open a direct link on the remote device from here. Here you can see all your usages, balance, free minutes, and everything. If you want, you can earn minutes by watching ads and earning credit without recharging. Ready to level up your control? Don't let outdated apps hold you back. Download Xim Remote now from APK Pure. Take total control today. Link is in the description.